Good morning, fishermen. Heavy rain last night. The lake's come up another 3 inches. It takes a fair volume of water to do that. But we'll have a couple of chucks with a spinner, see if we can produce anything, and then we'll go to a flow line. Rightio, got a hook up. Just as the rain starts to come down. Okay, still got a fish on. Now it's woken up. Might be a jack. It's doing that head shaky. A little bit of weight, this one. Again, it was a very soft take. The last 3 retrieves, I could just feel the line stopping. I knew it was a fish. It'd be just a matter of time before there's a big gulp at whatever's going past. And he's done that. Get him up, have a look. Hopefully let him go if he hasn't swallowed it. Rightio campers, here's a nice little jack. Unfortunately had to knock him on the head, bleeding from the gills. So I know someone that'll eat that. So we'll take him home, smoke him up.